Hey guys, welcome back to Belgian Season. Today I wanted to talk about a tool that I frequently use in the shop and around knives that need to be sharpened, and that's the diamond whetstone. So this is the tool itself. It looks like this. This is the plate that's on there. It's supposed to have the diamond backing on this, and then this is the tool itself. And what this is used for is for sharpening knives, and I'll demonstrate how it works. So if you have a knife at home and suppose the blade is dull and you need to sharpen it, what you would do is you keep this at an angle and then you simply rub it like this until the blade picks back its edge. And this is a very good tool to have in the house, because as we use our knives, they get dull. So this is a good way of keeping it nice and sharp. Now, it doesn't take that long to get sharp, as you can see right here. I just used it for a couple of seconds and it's already it was already sharp at one point, but it's even sharper now. I'll use a piece of paper to demonstrate how sharp it got. So this is just some paper I had lying around, and here it is after I sharpened it. As you can see, it still needs to be sharpened some more, but it's relatively better now. So let me try sharpening it some more, see if I can get it to get a better edge. So the idea would be to just keep rubbing it like this at the end, and you just want to basically just sharpen the edge up a little bit like this. So we keep doing that, and I'm holding it at an angle, so this part is not on top of it, so I'm like sharpening it like that. Okay, so as I'm sharpening it, I'm keeping it at an angle. Let me see if that improved it. And so it's substantially sharper now. Okay, so it works pretty well. So this is one knife that I have, and I have a couple more that I was going to sharpen. Let me use this one here. This is a smaller one, and this already has a little serrated edge on it, and this side doesn't have serrated edge, so I'm gonna sharpen this side with it. So as you can see, once you start sharpening it, it basically removes all the it removes the dull edge of the knife. So let's just do that for a minute. And then we can try using it on this. Yeah, it's better than it was. So I would recommend this tool to everyone. This is a good sharpener. Now this, you don't use water on it because this is a metal piece, and if you put water on it, you would risk making it rust. So this can be used just as is. Another way to use it would be to just simply keep it on the, you know, like that, and just run your knife over it like this, so it, at an angle, so it catches the edge. Okay. Now I have one knife that I've been working on for a while. This is like almost like a bayonet, and this was really dull when I started. It was, you know, this is where the metal piece is right here, and this part was extremely dull, and I've been working at this for about an hour, and I've gotten it to this point where I can start seeing the edge, but it's still not sharp yet. So I'm going to keep working on this until I get it razor thin. Then then this will be a nice you know, knife to have. So that's my video for today. I would recommend buying this Whetstone as a perfect tool to sharpen your knives. And if you have any questions or comments, please do leave them at the bottom. I appreciate anyone that follows, and thank you for your support.